Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make GamePass on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser and just go to roblox.com. Once you're here guys, you just need to tap on this create tab over here. Now you just need to tap on this home button, just menu before home button, and just tap on this creation. Now in my experience, you will get your experience. Default experience will be by your username. Just tap on it, and now once you open this your experience configuration, you just need to tap on this menu button over here and scroll down, and you will see this here uh, passes option. And now if you want to create your own game pass, just tap on this create a pass button, enter the name of the game pass like dude, and just enter the demo, like enter the description like demo, and just tap on this create a pass button. So creating pass is not enough, you have to set it up for the sale to list it in the please donate game. So just tap on it and just tap on this menu button over here and just tap on sale button and just enable it for the sale and enter the cost here like 200-300 somewhere and just tap on save. And guys, after this your game pass will be set up for the sale in please donate. Let's open the please donate and let's list this game pass there. And guys, once you in the game, so what you have to do is you just need to look for any empty stand, and now just tap on it and just hold this stand button over here, and your game pass will be listed here. All the game pass will be listed here if you have created. So yeah, that's how you can add your game pass in the please donate as well. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.